The cherry from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory is a juicy image that is comfortable inside. The animator's gaze is located in the forehead area, which gives an unexpectedly wide viewing angle. The structure on an Isolon frame weighs at least, does not constrain movements, and is designed for a height of up to 185 centimeters. Breathing is easy. Ventilation is thought out right in the forehead area. The set includes pants, a jacket, gloves, and soft shoes with a rubberized sole. Each seam and element undergo a 3-stage quality control, so the suit remains in perfect condition even after many activities. The cherry is great for summer festivals and children's parties, a bright character that attracts attention and creates a mood. Production in Russia, production time, from 14 days. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an exact calculation of the cost of your order? Contacts for video. Write or call right now.